So this is part 2, and I'm continuing on either given a table and getting an equation or given 2 points and finding a slope. So I'm on problem 11, and I'm going to say that's point 1 and that's point 2. And I'm going to say 2 minus 2 over 5 minus 1, 0 over 4. Anytime I have a 0 in the top, I'm going to write that 0 divided by any number is 0. And I will always know that it's 0 because if you notice my y's match, anytime my y's are the same, my slope is going to be 0. If I wanted to do it the other way, I would go 1 comma 2, 5 comma 2, change from 2 to 2 is 0, change is add 4, 0 over 4, and that's simplified to 0. Next one, y2, here's my 1s, here's my 2s, here's my x's, here's my y's, here's my x's, here's my y's. -7 minus a -4 over -1 minus a -3. That's what it looks like when you set it into the formula. Keep change flip is -3. Keep change flip is 2. And that's my slope. If I do it by stacking, I have from here to here is -3, from here to here is add 2, -3 over 2. Write slope-intercept form of the equation for the line utilizing the table. And so slope-intercept is y equals mx plus b. I'm going to need to do that. I don't have an m, I don't have a b. I can find my m by doing +2, +2, +1, +1. Therefore, it's 2 over 1, which is 2. My b, I go 3, 2, 1, 0. I'm creating it. 6, 4, 2, 0. And I have a b of 0. So it's y equals 2x. I don't need the plus 0. And if I want to verify, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. This is very difficult to do horizontal. Better if you do it vertically. You have 0, 3, 6, 9, 20, 11, 2, -7. Here's my x's, here's my y. Highlight that. He's super important because he is my y-intercept. From here to here is -9. From here to here is add 3. -9 over 3 is -3. So my slope is -3. So this is y equals -3x plus 20. When I have to find an equation from a table, I'm going to always say, hey, is he there? Is the y-intercept, because I'm looking for a 0 in the x and a number in the y. So b equals 1. I can come down here and say add 2, add 1, and 2 over 1 equals 2. So m equals 2. So y equals 2x plus 1. I can verify it and say 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Here I look, I don't have a y-intercept. I'm bummed. But I notice from here to here is add 10. And from here to here is add 10. And from here to here is add 10. From here to here is add 2. From here to here is add 2. From here to here is add 2. From here to here is add 15. Okay, so you can't just add 10. because every time you add 10, you add 2. You add 10, you add 2. If you add 10 to y, you have to add 10 to the x. So we're going to have to wait on this one, okay? So 10 over 2 is 5. So instead of, so my slope is 5, m equals 5. Now 0 fits right into here, and we're going to have to squish them in. Well, 0 is halfway between -1 and 1. So what's halfway between -11 and -1? And that is -6. So my b is -6. So then I have y equals 5x minus 6. So if I do 5 times -3, I get -15. I subtract 6 more and I get -21. So in the same way, I'm going to do 5 times 18 and subtract 6. So that's 90 minus 6, which is 84. So that's 84. Okay, here is add 2, add 2, add 2, add 1, add 1, add 1. So my slope is 2 over 1, which is 2. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, because I'm going back by 2, so I continued my pattern. So my b equals 6. So this is y equals 2x plus 6. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 6 is 12. So this is 2 times 12 plus 6, that's 24 plus 6, that's 30. Okay. Here we're going to subtract 2, subtract 2, subtract 2. Okay. So, and here we're adding 3, adding 3, adding 3, adding 3, so we can continue on that if this is adding 3, this has to be subtracting 2, so that's -2. This is your y-intercept. So m equals -2 over 3, and b equals, right there is 4, so y equals -2/3 x plus 4, and that x is up there. 86420, or sorry, 86420, 34, okay, add 8, add 8, add 8, so if I subtract 8, I get 2. So there's, I created my y-intercept. I go up by 2, up by 2, up by 2. That's 8 divided by 2, finding my slope, which is 4. B is 2, y equals 4x plus 2. Finding the value for 19, 4 times 19 plus 2. 76 plus 2, that becomes 78. So there's a lot of movement going around. First you find your slope by your change of y over your change of x. Then you see if there's a y-intercept in the table. If not, see if you can create them using the pattern, and then use your equation to find your missing values. If you have any questions, please come to office hours and I will help you solidify your understanding. Thank you.